Would you let the heat out of your home by leaving a window open all the time? That's effectively what you're doing when you have an unused open fire. Watch this video to find out how to save lots of money. It's January 2018. It's very, very cold, and DIY Doctor has been looking at different ways of excluding drafts from your home, keeping your home warm. And one of the things that we bumped into is this square of wool called a chimney sheep. But it's so much more than a square of wool. It has a plate into which you screw a handle, and incidentally this handle comes in two parts, and extension pieces are available in case your flue is a bit longer than ours. And from that you'll glean that this piece of kit simply goes up the chimney. Pull it down a little bit so it's a snug fit into the flue, leave it, and that will stop all of the drafts going up the chimney. There are other far more technical things on the market to do just this job. They are much more expensive, they are much more difficult to use. This is simplicity itself, and it's really, really effective. There's a little tag on the bottom to remind you that it is up the flue. For goodness sake, don't forget to take it out on Christmas Eve, otherwise Santa will have nowhere to go. Pull it out gently, because you will dislodge a little bit of soot or whatever, but simply pull it out, and you will see from the close-up of our chimney flue that's coming up just now that as is this size of chimney sheep is suitable for the flue that we've got. There are 10 different sizes, so simply have a look up your chimney, look at the size of the flue, look at the sizing chart on chimneysheep.co.uk, choose the chimney sheep for you, add the handle, push it up, save yourself loads and loads and loads of money. It's absolutely brilliant in its simplicity. We love it. Chimney sheep. Go get one now.